Wi-Fi to wired, Ethernet. If possible, avoid VPNs. They often trigger this error. 3. Verify game files. Corrupted or missing files can cause network errors. Open Steam, go to Library, right-click Gray Zone Warfare. Click Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity. Number 4. Disable firewall antivirus temporarily. Your security software might be blocking the connection. Turn off antivirus temporarily. Allow the game through firewall. Add it to allowed apps. Re-enable protection after testing. Number 5. Change DNS settings. Using a better DNS can improve connectivity. Open Network Settings. Set DNS to 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. 6. Flush DNS and reset network. Open Command Prompt and run. You can see the code in our conversation history, then restart your PC. Number 7. Disable background apps. Apps using bandwidth can interfere. Close browsers, Chrome Edge, Discord, download managers. Pause Windows updates. Hash 8. Select correct region/server. In-game, choose the nearest server region. High-ping servers can trigger this error. 9. Update network drivers. Outdated drivers equals unstable connection. Open Device Manager. Update network adapter drivers. 10. Try a different network. Use mobile hotspot to test. If it works, your ISP may be the issue. Number 11. Reinstall the game, last resort. If nothing works, uninstall the game, restart PC, reinstall fresh copy. Quick fix summary. Restart internet, verify files, disable VPN, flush DNS, choose correct server. If you want, I can also turn this into a YouTube script